And now, as the ballot box is developing, some thoughts have occurred to me. One, what I'm doing is extremely valuable work because it maps out combinations of muscles to perform very precise and intricate and very well standardized motions of fine motor skills. So what very intricate fine motor skills and space have to do with each other as far as cryptography and passwords, as well as regenerating bodies or crippling bodies using very complex or not unlockable locking mechanisms. So when I start to think maybe I should post something about this, and a car accelerates on the street and I feel pain, am I being punished? And a honk says yes. So if I'm being punished, who is punishing me? If it is not the CIA, and I feel pretty confident that it's not the CIA, if it is not the CIA, then the person who's punishing me is pretending to have the kind of authority that deals with high-level cryptography and national security. So I know that because they're not, or they're so ambiguous with what they are that I can assume that they're not, because their security practices are so poor, that I should be posting about this. So if I'm being hurt, and like the honk just signified yes, you were being punished. So if I'm being punished for trying to share something that is necessary to be shared, who is hurting me and why? Also, they've been collecting this kind of data from me for years, like at least 2 years, this group, but in that house at Scott's house, in the room at Scott's house for a lot longer than that. So like 5 or 6 years. And then the NBD house in University District. So I've been doing work with indications of being rewarded, at least to the extent that when I think I might be being punished, it hurts and is confirmed with a honk. The same extent I have been told I was going to be rewarded financially, and it hasn't happened. So what this has to do with Hunter Hoffman and billions of dollars, and how come I'm not paid, and pretty much that, how come I'm not paid. So anyhow, this is something you can do to unlock muscles in your body, and if you were trying to get into something that was really secure, and you wanted to find some sort of unique thing to use, well, a unique person with unique motor skills, or not quite as unique motor skills, there's one way to do it. So, I don't think I'm a security risk because, hey, this shit's all over the street in Seattle. So, anyhow.